Having trouble with slope-intercept form? Well, don't worry, this video is here to help. In the next few minutes, we will go over how to write an equation in slope-intercept form, how to find the slope between 2 points, how to find the y-intercept, and finally how to put it all together. First things first, slope-intercept form is the most basic equation of a graph. Starting with the y-intercept, we can use the slope to determine which way the line goes and how steep it is. This is what the general equation looks like. Y equals mx plus b. Let's go over what each letter represents. The x equals the independent variable, the y equals the dependent variable, m equals the slope of the line, and b equals the y-intercept. Now let's do an example. Write the equation of a line with a slope of 1/2 and a y-intercept of 4. We will begin with the equation y equals mx plus b and substitute our 1/2 in for our slope and our y-intercept 4 in for b. Therefore, the equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Good. Now that we know how to write the equation of a line, let's move on to finding the slope if we are given 2 points. There's a simple equation that we can plug both of the points into in order to find the slope m of a line. The equation is your slope m equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus your x1. Good. Now let's do an example. Find the slope of a line given 2 points, 1, 2, and 3, 6. We begin by plugging the 2 points into the slope equation. So we'll have your y2, which is 6, minus your y1, which is 2, all over your x2, which is 3, minus your x1, which is 1. And then you'll get 6 minus 2, which gives you 4, over 3 minus 1, which is 2, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Therefore, the slope of the line is 2. Remember, when plotting, you will always go up before you go to the left or the right. If m is negative, the line falls from the left to the right, but if m is positive, the line will rise from the left to the right. Awesome! Now let's move on to finding the y-intercept. To find b, simply plug in your slope m and a set of points on the line into your equation. Then you will solve for b using our algebra trick. Now let's do an example. Find the y-intercept of a line going through the point 1, 2 with a slope of 4. We'll begin by plugging in the point and slope into our y equals mx plus b. Then we'll get 2 equals 4 times 1 plus b. 4 times 1 is 4, and subtracting 4 to both sides will give us negative 2 equals b. Therefore, the line has a y-intercept of negative 2.
Okay, good. Now let's do an example putting everything together. We'll write an equation in slope-intercept form of a line going through the points 1, 5, and 2, 3. We start out by finding our slope. We'll use this as our second point and this as our first point. So your m equals your y2 minus your y1 over your x2 minus your x1. And that will give you negative 2 over 1 for a slope of negative 2. Now that we've found our slope, we'll go ahead and plug this slope and one set of points into our y-intercept equation and solve for b. Choose either one you want. We'll go with the first one. So we'll have 5 equals your slope, which is negative 2, times x, which is 1, plus b. Then we'll have 5 equals negative 2 times 1 plus b. Adding 2 to both sides gives us 7 equals b, which is your y-intercept. Now putting it all together, we'll have y equals negative 2x plus 7. And there you have an equation in slope-intercept form going through these 2 points.
Congratulations! You successfully finished this video and are well on your way to mastering slope-intercept form equations. Thanks for watching. For more practice, please refer to your textbook.